Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the arc length. So now I will show you how to answer. Before we calculate about the arc length, we need to find about first the derivative of the function. So first the derivative of number 2, you got about 0. First the derivative of x to the power of 3 over 2, we have 3 over 2 x to the power of 3 over 2 minus 1, and we simplify. Now we can apply the formula of the arc length. That's about L equals to the integration from A to B, and we have the square root 1 plus first derivative of the function to the power of 2 dx. Now A, that's about number 0, B, that's about number 1, first derivative of the function, that's about this one. This one we will have about 9 over 4x. The square root represent about 1 over 2. Now we have the formula in here. The integration of this one, we have a plus bx to the power of c plus 1 over b multiplied by c plus 1. And we put about c, that's about the constant. Now we can apply the same. Now we can put the bounds from 0 to number 1. And then we have the final answer. If we simplify, you will have this answer like this. This is the end. Thank you for watching.